Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got an extremely helpful topic to cover. How to get rid of a clogged nose. You know, when you can't breathe through your nose and your whole day feels like it's grinding to a halt? Yeah, let's tackle that. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button below, share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and leave a comment about what you'd like to see in our next video. Let's get started. Now, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Warm saline rinse. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Stir until completely dissolved. Use a dropper to drop the saline water into one nostril while tilting your head back. Allow the saline to flow out the other nostril or through your mouth. Why it works. Saline solution helps to break down the mucus. A study conducted by the University of Wisconsin School of Medicine and Public Health found that using a saline nasal wash can effectively relieve symptoms. Step 2. Use a tissue or handkerchief. After you've done the saline rinse, gently blow your nose into a tissue to remove the mucus and saline. Why it works. Physically removing the mucus can immediately relieve congestion. Step 3. Humidify your environment. Place a humidifier in your room and make sure it's filled with water. Why it works. According to Mayo Clinic, using a humidifier adds moisture to dry air, which can help relieve congestion. Optional step 4. Spicy foods. You'll need spicy foods like chili or wasabi. Eat a small amount of the spicy food. Why it works. Capsaicin, found in spicy foods, can help to thin mucus. Though it's not an academic study, countless anecdotal accounts can vouch for the effectiveness of this method. Optional step 5. Over-the-counter solutions. Follow the instructions on the packaging for proper usage. Why it works. Nasal sprays like Otrivin or Afrin contain ingredients that temporarily reduce swelling of the nasal passages. But keep in mind, the American Academy of Otolaryngology recommends only using these for a short duration. So, that wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to get rid of a clogged nose. Remember, if your symptoms persist, it might be best to consult a healthcare professional. Once again, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.